Hello guys, welcome to Cisco with Aman Sony, and in this video, the second video to be precise, we are going to learn how to secure our CLI and specifically how we are going to secure the user mode because we access the user mode via our console port, and technically it's better if you say line con 0. That's how you configure the console port. So you put a wire, the console wire in the line console 0 or the console port, other wire into your PC or your laptop, and you take the CLI and get the user mode. So we are going to put some password on this console port or line con 0, so that if you put the wire, open your laptop or your PC and try to access the CLI, you will straight away will be asked for a password. And if you don't know the password, you can't access the router. And after that, guys, we are going to secure the enable mode. Once you are inside the user mode, you can do a few basic things. You can see very minimal things running on the router, like show IP interface, brief, show privilege, show clock, etc. Now, when you do the enable command, you will straight away go into the enable mode. Again, we are going to protect the enable mode. So, first we will see how to protect the line con 0 or the console port. Let's hop onto the packet tracer and start the practical. Okay, let's make it full screen. Let's take our same old generic router. Left click, CLI. Let it boot up, and you know what you are going to do. You're going to put a no. Again, remember, you don't want to go into the hectic prompting thing. So you will do a no, I don't want to do that. I want to do the command settings. Now, see, once you do the enter, you are not being asked any password. We do not want that. We want the router to ask some sort of password. Again, if you do enable, no password at all. Our enable mode is naked right now. Anybody can just come in and get straight away to our enable mode. We don't want that. We really don't want that. Now, first of all, I told you this whole screen you are seeing, the CLI. What is this? You are accessing the line console 0. Okay, so now we are going to protect the console port. First, if you want to put some sort or any sort of password, you have to be in the configuration mode. Command configure terminal. You are inside the configuration mode or global configuration mode. Now, what do you want to protect? What do you want to do the settings for? Line con 0. Now, you are inside a brand new mode. You are right now inside line con 0. So, what do you want to do? Very easy. We want to put a password. What password? Let's say Cisco @12345. Yes, it is strong, have some alphabets, numbers, and special character. Much stronger. Now, guys, very important point. If you exit out right now and try to see if the router is asking you password, you will be disappointed. Why? It won't be asking you any password because you have to tell line console 0 to ask for the password. But you might say, that's what I just did. No, you set up a password. You never told the line console to ask the password. How will you do that? Very easy. You are going to just put a login keyword. It means that now when someone comes to access line console 0, he will be asked to log in using a password. Makes sense? That's how it works. Exit out. Again, let's exit out and exit. Now, guys, this was the very first thing where you begin. You take the CLI, okay, and as soon as you enter, no, you can't get the user mode now. It is asking for the password. If you put the wrong password and enter, you can never go in. You have to put the correct password. So it was Cisco at the rate 12345, right? This was the password. And more, the amazing thing is, when you're putting the password, you will not see any characters, no dots, no star, anything. It will just be inputted like that. Now, we have successfully secured our line console access or the console port access. You can't have the CLI unless you have the line console password. Now guys, but our enable mode is still unprotected, isn't it? No password, no security. So the same thing we are going to do again, but the commands, the passwords are different. Wait a sec, my antivirus has gone crazy, I guess. Turn on. Okay, it is quite disturbing. Just leave it like that. Now, guys, let's hop on to the notepad. Not notepad, but the notepad. Okay, it is here. Now, guys, let me zoom in. Yep. Now, you guys have two flavors of enable mode password. Okay, you have two flavors to choose from. Number one, which is the normal enable password. Okay, and the second one, secret enable password. And as the name signifies, secret makes more sense. You will see just in a moment. So both of them have some similarity. Okay, similarity, and obviously there are some differences among them. Now first we will see how to set them up, and then we are going to talk about the similarity and the difference between these two. For the commands, first we will go to the live packet tracer. You will see the commands live, and then I will put them here for you to take a snap. Where is our little buddy? Here it is. Now, obviously, again, same thing. You want to set up any sort of password, you have to be inside the configure terminal, also known as the global configuration mode. The commands are much simpler. You don't need to go inside any line. You can just set up the password straight away from here. The command is enable and the password. Yes, this is the command to set up the very first password, which is your normal enable mode password. Okay, let me just write down the commands here so that we can review them at the end of the video. Enable password, and you are going to just put any password, let's say QWERTY QWERTY, okay, and you are good to go. Let's set it up. Enable password QWERTY, enter. We are done. We never got any error or any sort of warning. Now exit out. Again exit out. Now guys, be with me. Pay close attention. First, it is going to ask the line console password. Why? Because we are accessing the CLI. And read what this is. Con0 is now available and you are accessing the line console. So what was the password? Yes, do not forget the passwords. Okay, the password was Cisco at the rate 12345, and we are in. But we have also protected our enable mode, a second level of security. Enable, and yes, the second password. If you don't know the password, you can't go into the enable mode, but you are you are stuck inside the user mode. Now again, now we are the real genuine admin, so we know the password, which was QWERTY QWERTY, enter, and we are in. Very, very good. That's how you set up the enable mode password. Now, how to remove this? Very easy. If you want to remove this, just put a no in front of it. No enable password. That's it. Okay, that's how you remove. Okay, McAfee, please let me make the video. That's how you remove the password. Okay, do not forget, and let me write. That's how you apply the password. Okay, in Cisco guys, things are not much hard, but the thing is, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of sequence facts to remember. So you have to just revise and practice and practice and practice and practice again. Okay, now how to apply the secret password. First, let me remove the password. Configure terminal. Yes, we are in. No enable password. The password is removed. Let's verify. Now we are going to tell only one password, which is of line console. Now the line console password is Cisco at the rate 12345. We are in. Enable. No password required. We just remove the enable password. Configure terminal. Now we are going to apply the second password, the second flavor of the password, which is much better than your normal enable password. So enable secret, and the password, let's say my name itself, I'm a ninja. Yep. Now the password is applied. Let's exit out. Exit out. The outcome, guys. Now you are going to see the similarity. The similarity. The similarity is the outcome of both are exactly same. Okay, you are going to see just in a second. First, the line console password again Cisco at the rate 12345 and enable. Yes, the outcome. Can you now tell, if you are not the admin, if you are some random new network engineer, some beginner, some novice, you can never tell, nobody can ever tell that whether this is an enable password or a secret password. You cannot tell. Why? Because the outcome of the both passwords are exactly same. They protect the enable mode. They are being asked as soon as you put enable. Okay, so let's put the password, my name, I'm a ninja, enter. Now what is the difference between these two? The difference, okay, let me just write it. The difference is in security, meaning you must be in a dilemma. What? Both of them provide the security. The security is the security is how they are saved or how they are stored inside the config. You might say, what do you mean by that? Let me just show you live and you will understand more. Go to the configure terminal and let's apply both of the passwords. Yes, you can apply both of the password, but remember they have to be different. If you try to apply the same enable password and same enable secret, you are going to get an error message. Enable password Cisco. Good enough. Enable secret Cisco. Get ready for the error, guys. See, I told you, you can't do this thing. So enable secret Cisco 123. Let's apply this. Now both passwords are applied. Two important things you have to see now. Exit out. Exit out. This is our old line console password. Do not get confused. The password of line console was Cisco at the rate 12345. Now the dilemma is which enable mode password it is going to ask us. If you apply both of the password at the same time, then it is only going to ask the secret password. Okay, the secret password was Cisco 123. You are in. Why the secret password, but why not the enable password? Because guys, secret password is much more secure than the enable password. Okay, don't take my word for it. Let me show you. Let's do a show running config. For the new guys, new students, show running config is the command that show you the current configuration of your Cisco device. It will show you your saved, your configured passwords, IP addresses, protocol commands, and much more. So we are going to see both the password and you will see the difference and you will know why I was saying that secret is much secure. See the enable password Cisco. Yes, we put that and enable secret. Oh my god, what the hell is this? We just put Cisco 123. This is Cisco 123. but to be precise, this is the MD5 message digest 5 hash form of our secret password. That's how secret password is saved. Much more secure, and that's why when you apply both of them, it is only going to ask or prompt for the secret password. How to remove them? No enable secret, no enable password. Both of the passwords are gone. Let's scroll down using the enter key, and your old buddy line console password is also here. Now let me tell you how to remove this line console password. Little tricky than your normal enable and secret password. You can say, yeah, we just have to do a no there. No, guys, you have to do the no, but you have to follow a proper sequence. Let me tell you. Let's go to the configure terminal. Okay, now line console 0. Now, guys, don't you think about doing this. You can't remove a line console, you can't remove the console port. It will just give you an error. Ridiculous mistake. Please don't do this. You have to go inside line console 0. Now you did two commands. Let me just write down the two commands that you did. Okay? The commands were for line con 0 password. These were the commands. Line con 0 password Cisco at the rate 12345 and login, meaning ask the password. Now you are going to just remove this password. Just remove the password. Go to line console and do no password. Done. And let's exit out, and let's exit out again. Now see, you just have login there. You removed the password. Okay, login can be remain there. It no big deal. Just remove the password and you are good to go. Okay, guys, that's how you remove the line console password. Now enable which password it is asking. Yes, we still have a secret password and it was Cisco 1. Okay, Cisco 1 2 3 maybe. Yeah, Cisco 1 2 3 it was. Okay, now the tricky thing is you should write the secret password somewhere. Otherwise, what will happen if you forget what your Cisco password? You are good to go outside and do some crazy stuff because you can't break the password. Not until you watch my next video, because in my next video we are going to break the password. Yes, we'll take a router, we will put a random password, okay, and we will restart and just keep on asking the password again and again that we don't know. So we are going to break it, we are going to reset, we are going to crack the Cisco password. Which password? All of them. That is the beauty of it. You can break your enable password, secret password, line console password, and also the password that you are going to learn in near future. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Do practice the stuff, okay? And if you have any positive feedback, any help you need regarding this practical, feel free to comment, like, and share among your friends. Okay, good night. Time for me to sleep and practice hard and love Cisco, love networking. Goodbye, take care, love you all.